I have here, I just unboxed the 10-piece Kobalt pliers set, and this is the Kobalt 300 piece with a lifetime hassle-free guarantee. This is 90 tooth ratchets come in this set, and it shows all the stuff it comes with. It's all nicely organized in big square like dividers, and that's what it shows on the bottom of the box. Same stuff, blah blah blah. 1/2 inch, 3/8, quarter, 300 piece. The part number I think is right there. And this is pretty heavy. That's the little layout of everything. The back has a similar sort of description, includes all this stuff. So you can read in all languages, whatever language you may speak watching this. There's another little layout, and this shows they all come in foam trays. All the foam trays are exactly the same size as what it said on the computer, and in this box they seem like they'd probably be. So let's open it. So opening it from the top, they're all wrapped in plastic. And the toolbox I bought, I would have to chop off a little bit down here and a little bit up here if I wanted it to fit. But I think I'll just organize these sockets differently. So you can see metric and SAE. I mean, yeah. So solid foam with a nice like carbon fiber looking front plate with cobalt in the bottom. All the sockets are labeled in light, like etched, I guess you could say, 1/12 cobalt and red. So blue is metric, red is SAE, and kitty. Then you go to the bigger sizes. This one's a little heavier. You see the writing on them. I guess a part number or something. And blue for metric. Put that back. Take the next one out. Some deep sockets. It comes with a Kobalt sticker. Oh, got him! Got him! And then we get to this one, which is what I really like, since I don't have, is some wrenches. Some small wrenches. And I have a bunch of old Allen keys, so that doesn't really bother me. I don't use those often. I don't see them be used at the shop that often. Except today we're doing an all-wheel drive on a 9.5 and replacing the Haldex like computer module, whatever, needed hex keys. So they're polished chrome, vanadium, or whatever they are, metal. So you can see that red for SAE. This is a 1/2 inch. They're not anti-slip or anything, like they're just smooth on the inside if it'll focus. See, they're smooth. But they're not too fat here. I heard some craftsmen, this is pretty fat. The bigger ones are a little fatter, but I mean, for $150 for all this stuff, and there's still more in there, I think this was a pretty good price. I'm pretty happy with it. The foam is a little beat up, but I mean, it has a lot of weight on it. Like over here, there's a little bend in it. It's a little bend in it there. I want to see these. They're in a little package. Holy moly, they're small. They look kind of cheap. Yeah, they look kind of cheap actually. Like, look at this 10. I don't have very big hands, but this 10 is pretty cheap. Like this, look how thin it is. It's pretty thin. Sorry, it's not focusing on it. It's pretty thin, but I mean, if this breaks, it has a lifetime warranty. So I mean, I don't know how often I'm gonna use this little 10. I mean, this goes down to an 8 and a 10 up here. So this isn't too bad. It's cheap though, so that's the thing. I don't know how often I'm using the American size thing either. So you see metric and American Allen keys, 20-piece hex set. I'll pull the biggest one out. They're not too bad. Feel pretty strong. I'm not going to be bending that anytime soon. So these aren't too bad. I'm sure someone's going to say that Snap-on's better, which I'm sure Snap-on is better, but there's something so simple and so cheap that certain things I don't think, for me personally, not being a full-fledged mechanic, I don't see the need right now to spend a lot on tools, since at the shop I don't even have my own tools. I just use other people's tools and it's perfectly fine. And this is the last panel on the kit. So you see it says 90 tooth on all the buttons. That's nice that they're released also. Ziggy, come scratch this. I can't open this. I like the blue. I bought a black toolbox, so I guess my new color is going to be black and blue, which isn't bad. Holy crap. You're going to call me weak over here. So, the 1/2 inch, it's pretty thick. That is really thick. That, holy crap, that is thick. It's thicker than my finger. It's got a nice quick release little ball. Pretty solid. Got your 2 spark plug sockets. You got your nut bit set. I mean, if you buy sockets, why use this? You know. So you have T30, T27, T25, T20, T15, and T10. So that's really not a bad selection of Torx bits, and they're solid. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. While he's doing all that in the background. So, I haven't experienced a great variety of tools, some Matco tools, some Snap-ons, and stuff. But, I mean, I'm sure this might last a while in a professional full setting, like used every day, but this won't be. So I imagine this will last me a very long time. The handle, it kind of looks crappy, to be honest. It's like the shiny, looks like a toy plastic, but that is pretty solid. Come here, Zig. No, I'm kidding. That would probably hurt. But that doesn't look too bad. And nice assortment of extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 extensions. It's not too bad. And it's all nicely organized, which is the really plus side to this. But as you can see, there's a lot of wasted space that if you have a lot of tools, this might not be the best. And I guess you have some other extensions. Or oh no, look at that. Holy mother of God. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so that's good to have. Those are always good to have. A nice little breaker bar. This will probably break. It's probably going to snap right here, as they all do. This handle won't break, I can promise you that. This handle's probably not going to break first. This thing will break first. That's what I always see break on extensions and ratchets and stuff, is breaking here before anything else breaks. Sometimes in some ratchets, even snap-on ratchets, you crank too hard, the teeth break or wear down. So out of everything in this box, I'll lay it all out real quick. I think it was definitely worth my $150 to start me off with everything I could need. So I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out. Bye, Zig. Say bye. Bye. Okay, goodbye.